Reverend Alisana Pala'amu, honorable members of the Commonwealth, distinguished delegates and guests, ladies and gentlemen. Can I wish you all a very special welcome to our beautiful shores for those who have traveled near and far to be here today. We're literally wishing you a very warm welcome this morning, and especially the front line here. You're getting your supply of vitamin A, I think, by sitting in the sun. This should service you well for the rest of the week. This early gathering marks the beginning of a historic week for our Commonwealth Ainga, our family. Home to 1/3 of the global population, 60% of whom are under the age of 30. The 3 forums we are launching this morning represent the critical voices of our people, especially the women, youth, and our children. The Commonwealth is more than a grouping of nations. It embodies shared values, aspirations, and a commitment to democracy, development, and peace. United by history and driven by the future, we come together to find solutions to global challenges, from climate change to economic uncertainty, from social justice to technological advancement. This week is an opportunity for meaningful dialogue and impactful collaboration across our Commonwealth family. Samoa is at the heart of our vast blue Pacific continent. The Pacific Ocean connects our islands and provides sustenance for our people. The Ngawalofa, Samoa's voyaging canoe, symbolizes our journey together as we gather at this pivotal moment, pushing bold leadership and priority and collective action. Let us listen to the voices of the people. Our Commonwealth youth feels the hopes of our children rising with the changing tides. They are central to our discussions on prosperity, fairness, and sustainable development. Through the people, youth, and women's forums, we have the opportunity as leaders to hear these critical voices. While many are represented in Samoa this week, I understand hundreds more have been involved in consultations and preparatory processes in the past months leading up to this gathering here. As a Commonwealth Ainga, our strength lies not in our size, but in the unity towards commitment to protect, uplift, and empower one another. To the organizers, leaders, and participants, thank you for the inspiration and the encouragement. Through innovation and collaboration, we will triumph. I encourage you to embrace this week in Samoa fully. Explore our islands, connect with our people, and immerse yourselves in the diversities of this cultural experience. I am confident that you will have fruitful, solutions-focused discussions. I also look forward to the reports from the forums and to taking forward as chair in office some of these critical priorities you will present to leaders to set our compass for the future. I wish you all a meaningful and memorable time in Samoa. Soifua Maia Manuia.